we need to get Louie Ray Cash App to #1. No disrespect to Kevin Gates. You know what I'm saying? Kevin Gates is, you know, a talented artist. He doing his thing and all that. But we need Louie Ray to get to #1. I'm doing any and everything I can to get this on the #1, man. I'm liking all the TikToks. I'm sharing all the TikToks. I'm fucking everything I need to do to get this on the #1. I'm doing my part, man. Just doing this video alone is helping this song get to #1. So let's get this Cash App Louie Ray song to #1 on TikTok. And hopefully, motherfucking a remix come up out of this shit. The song get big enough. We about to go to Louie Ray's Instagram account. Hold on. If I'm not mistaken, he shot the video already. If I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong. Nah, that's not the right footage. He posted somewhere. I don't know if it was on his story or on his page, but he said the video was shot already. Oh, here it go. This was 1 day ago. It's getting too loud. It's making 2 sounds. Video tomorrow. So he shot the video already, man. So all we need now is to get this song #1 on TikTok. And then hopefully it'll be #1 in the world, man. Eventually, this is a humongous song. And we need this humongous song to get even more humongous. We need this shit to get colossal, man. Shout out to Louie Ray, man. That's a fucking hometown hero, for real.
I ain't even gotta walk in with my tool out. It's getting too loud. I ain't even gotta walk in with my tool out. It's getting too loud. I ain't even gotta walk in with my tools out.
Don't twerk with kids in the house.
I ain't gotta walk in with my. I ain't even gotta walk in with my tool out. It's getting too loud. I ain't even gotta walk in with my tool out. It's getting too loud.